Hello, Mr. T here. In this session, the piece I would like to talk about is Russian Gallop by Bullard from the book Circus Skills. I've chosen this piece as it is set for grade 4 List B. If you choose to play this piece for your grade, here are some ideas on how you could improve your marks. Firstly, let me play the melody. Yes, I agree with you. Not very interesting, not very musical, very dull because it all sounds the same. And it's certainly nothing like a gallop that you can see in the title. So how can I make it more interesting and more musical? The points I will cover are tempo, dynamics, articulation and musicianship. Firstly, tempo. Two things to notice about tempo. Firstly, the speed at the beginning. Then look through the piece to see if the speed changes. At the beginning you can see it says lively and the instruction crotchet equals 116, although what it actually says is crotchet equals C.116. Here the letter C means circa, which is the Latin word for about. So what it really says is about 116 crotchets a minute. The best way to understand this is to use a metronome. If you don't have one, then play it at a lively speed like this. I'll play the first two lines. Now, next, let's look through the piece to see if the tempo changes. And as you look through, you will see that quite unusually, it doesn't. So you will need to keep that lively pace all the way through to the end. Now let's add dynamics to tempo. At the beginning, it's marked P, piano, soft. Then notice as you look through to see if there are any other dynamic changes. And as you look through, you will notice there are quite a few. So what you will need to remember then is P, piano, soft, MP, mezzo piano, medium soft, MF, mezzo forte, medium loud, F, forte, loud, FF, fortissimo, very loud. And if you see the lines getting wider, these are crescendo, which means getting louder. I'll play from the beginning to bar 11 so you can hear what is meant. And there you can hear the gradual build-up as we start from soft to loud. Now for articulation, the tonguing and slurring. Have a look through the piece and you will see various markings which you will need to play. Curved lines are the slurs, and here you will need to tongue the first one and then play the others without tonguing, making them as smooth as possible. Dots underneath the notes show a staccato marking, which means play it short and sharp. The little line under some of the notes is called tenuto, and this means giving it its full length. Don't cut it short. And the little arrowheads are called accents, and here you will need to give the notes a little extra force when you tongue them. I'll play from bar 8 to 15 so that you can hear what is meant. And you could hear the differences there. Lastly, now that we have tempo, dynamics and articulation, the technical bits, it's time to think about musicianship. And what this means is thinking about what story the music is wanting you to tell through your playing. The clues are in the title and the word lively. Now the word is gallop in the title. This refers to a fast and lively ballroom dance which was very popular in Paris and Vienna during the 1820s. So have these ideas of a fast and lively dance as you play. Now the 4 points, tempo, dynamics, articulation and musicianship have been covered. I will end by playing through the piece thinking about these ideas, and you will be able to compare it with the first playthrough and see the difference.